Husqvarna surprisingly announced a new off-road model bike, the T300 Pro 2-stroke. This model is designed based on the T platform that Husqvarna already offers, but features very different styling and upgraded components. Husqvarna Motorcycles is proud to announce the 2024 TE Pro Enduro lineup. This latest offering has been designed from the ground up to provide the best performance for experienced and ambitious enduro riders. They must excel at the highest level of competition. Completely new for 2024 and based on a revolutionary enduro platform, the T300 Pro is expertly crafted with a new frame, subframe, bodywork, suspension, brakes, and a host of engine enhancements. The Pro model has a complete list of innovations. The new enduro platform focuses on continuous improvement of overall riding capability, resulting in exceptional performance. Riders will immediately appreciate and benefit from the technical changes made to the engine. Technical sections can be conquered with confidence and control thanks to the predictable damping of the new enduro-specific WP suspension. The redesigned WPX ACT shock features a new piston for a more compliant action and is 100 grams lighter and 15 millimeters shorter, while maintaining 300 millimeters of travel. Fork and shock settings can be adjusted by hand for quick and easy personal setup. The strikingly restyled bodywork is decorated with modern Swedish-inspired graphics, and new high-grip seat covers complement the revised chassis. The sleek bodywork also provides complete freedom of movement when riding while standing, while the redesigned LED headlights provide better illumination and feature a more efficient and user-friendly mounting system. Based on the all-new 2024 Enduro range, the T300 Pro engine is powered by throttle body injection (TBI) technology. Developed to maintain the best-in-class performance of this lightweight two-stroke engine, TBI delivers more consistent and controllable power throughout the rev range, even in the toughest conditions. The T300 Pro showcases Husqvarna Motorcycles' progressive approach with premium components. A number of superior features that place the Pro model at the top of its class.